Next problem, on the last problem of this worksheet. G is the inverse of f. F dash of x is given like 1 by 2 plus x power n. We need to calculate z dash of x. See, G is the inverse of f. Given G is inverse of f in the sense the function g of x is f inverse. Since G is f inverse, what will happen? Since G is f inverse, G circle of f as well f circle of G is equals to identity. So f circle G is identity. Since G is f inverse, f circle G is identity. It can be written as f of G of x is equals to identity of x. And we know that identity of x is x. So this implies f of G of x is equals to x. So finally we have f of G of x is equals to x. Now you just differentiate with respect to x. F of G of x is equals to x. We need to differentiate it with respect to x. Left side it is f of G. F of G of x is a chain rule, or you may say composite function. And for this f of G of x, what is the answer? For f dash of G of x into, for G it is G dash of x is equals to, right side it is x and its derivative is 1 with respect to x. So we have finally f dash of G of x into G dash of x is equals to 1. Now what you say about this f dash of G of x? Look here, f dash of x is given 1 by 2 plus x power n. For f dash, derivative of f, if the input is x, output is 1 by 2 plus x power n. If input is some z, output is 1 by 2 plus z power n. Here for f dash, the input is G of x, so the output is 1 by 2 plus G of x to the power n into z dash of x is equals to 1. Our task is to find g dash of x. Simply send this 1 by 2 plus g power n to that side. It becomes like this: z dash of x is equals to 2 plus g of x to the power n. So finally this is g dash of x. Whereas g dash of x is 2 plus g of x to the power n. Okay, have a look. For this problem we need to know that if g is the inverse of f, f circle G is I, and f of G of x is x, its derivative is f dash of G into G dash is 1. So finally this is the answer.